What we typically see, especially working with sites sometimes for a decade, let's say, is almost every site goes through the same sequence. They start off at a certain point and they determine that because they want to cut costs, they're going to do that in the drilling and blasting process, and they go to larger drill diameters. So they start going from let's say, a 6-inch hole. They start to go up to an 8-inch hole or 150 millimeter to 200 millimeter, and they consistently increase. And they believe that this is saving them money in the blasting process. And a lot of times it is because they're using less initiators. They have less total, sometimes explosive being used if they have improper design. There's a lot of reasons that could potentially lead to upfront cost savings. The problem is then we start to get poor performance from the blast. And because we're getting that poor performance, the mines typically start to look at the total mine to mill optimization, or what's that cost of going through the entire process? How is this poor performance now causing worse loading, worse hauling? How is it increasing wear on all my equipment, including my crusher? How much time are we spending on secondary breakage? When we do that, we start to see then the opposite occur, and the sites start to go to a smaller and smaller diameter drill. And that is, again, in an effort to go and now improve blast performance. So we minimize the total cost of the mine to mill cycle instead of just the drilling and blasting costs.